Well, if you weren't living under a rock the last couple days, you've seen the stock market take quite the dive. Morning, guys. I'm Keith with RE/MAX Champions here in Newport Richey. Between April 3rd and 4th, the market took a big hit. The Dow dropped nearly 4,000 points in just 2 days. The S&P 500 had its worst 2-day stretch since 2020, and the Nasdaq officially entered a bear market territory. Now, this came after the U.S. announced new tariffs, and China responded with 34% retaliatory tariffs. As expected, headlines started throwing around the word recession. So, what is a recession? Well, in simple terms, it's when the economy slows down enough to have 2 straight quarters of negative growth. It often comes with rising unemployment, reduced consumer spending, and uncertainty across the board. So what does that mean for real estate? Well, it depends. Last time we saw a recession, around that 2020 during the COVID years, housing actually went up extremely well, especially here in Pasco County, but that was a very unique situation. Back then we had record low mortgage rates, we had a major economic stimulus, and a huge shift in where and how people wanted to live. In our area, median home prices actually rose 16%. Days on market fell from 27 to 5. Cash buyers and competition surged, and inventory tightened really quickly. But let me be clear, I don't really expect this time to play out the exact same way. Just because housing did well during the last recession doesn't mean we'll see the same outcome again. The situation's driven by global trade tensions, inflation, and higher interest rates. So very, very different forces than last time. Now, in my next video, I'm going to break down those differences, compare some of the current conditions to 2020, and then share my professional opinion on where I think we're going to head. If you're trying to make sense of the market and want a smart plan, whether you're buying or selling, reach out and let's just chat. I also work with local investors who can make fast cash offers when needed. And also, always just check the link in my bio to see if one of my 3 easy flexible selling options works for you. Thanks for watching.